I have found another rare species. I call it the rare Ben. Look at it. It's right behind that tree. You see it? Do you see it? By my observations, his favorite food is cheese. He's nibbling on some cheese right now. I haven't really gotten to see that much because he's a new species to me. What do you say we go and get a closer look? Let's go get a closer look. Okay, let's go and try and get the rare Ben. Moving closer. Good thing you didn't hear that. Closer. We're almost there. There he is. Oh, God. He's hissing at us. We better back up. Okay. Let's try and attract him with a piece of cheese. His favorite food. Cheese. Hey, rare Ben! Cheese! Cheese? 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 Sit. Sit. Good, rare Ben. Good. You better back up. Come get the cheese. No, no. Sit. I said sit. Bad rare Ben. Oh God. He's chasing us. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. He's close. He's close. He's really close. He's really close. He's right behind us. I think he's getting tired out. Oh God. Hurry. Oh. Close one. Oh, we escaped the rare Ben who likes cheese. I got away with only a scratch on my arm and... Why is the door opening? Why is there a piece of cheese? Where'd it come from? Oh God, not again!